Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella and I'm gonna show you how to make Korean food today. Among all kinds of Korean food, I'll make steamed egg. Steamed egg is the side dish that usually comes with the main dish. If you go to Korean barbecue restaurant, the steamed egg usually comes with a grilled meat. So before we start, let me show you the ingredient that we need. We need eggs, a cup of water, salt, sesame oil, spring onion, The first thing I like to do is crash 3 eggs and mix it all together until egg white and egg yolk becomes one. Put a pinch of salt inside and put a cup of water and mix it so that the mixture eggs become thin. This process will make the steamed egg softer. Make sure to cut a spring onion in a thin and circular shape, so the flavor of spring onion will spread all over the steamed eggs. Put several drops of sesame oil and chopped spring onion into eggs. the ingredient in the pot and reduce the heat to low. Make sure the eggs will not be burned or stick in the bottom of the pot. I will leave it for 5 minutes with the lid closed. Ta-da! Look at this beautiful steamed egg! Now, I'll serve this in a dish and try by myself. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If there is any Korean recipes that you'd like to know, please leave the comment below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!